What the key is then is you've got digital platforms like Upwork. You want to give your managers direct access to go on that platform, post their own job, screen their own candidates, onboard them. Why is that the case? Well, first of all, they're going to do it a lot faster. Second of all, it's hard for most managers to actually enunciate clearly what they're looking for. So often all you get's resume matches. That's not the secret to success. You want to see the body of work. You want to see the portfolio. And I'll tell you something else, Seth. The millennial managers who are taking over along with Generation Z, they prefer to shop for their own supplies. They would prefer direct access to a platform because what happens is they build up this competency of being able to post a job that gets a lot of results using search hacks, if you will, to find exactly who they should invite. Think about how wonderful a 30-year-old is on Google finding stuff versus, say, an old boomer like me. We want them to become fluent in freelancer. So don't treat it like staffing and keep it all arm's length locked up in the procurement department.
Thanks for stopping in and watching this video. If you found it helpful, you can find others just like it at the link below and subscribe while you're at it.